What did you say? Nothing? Punta natin sa taas kung anong ginagawa nila. Kumakain ako ng peanut. Masarap kasi. Naglinis brush siya. It's Thursday. Vacuum.
I did.
Hallway. Stairs.
I did the hallway.
Stairs? The hallway too? How about this? Look, the trash. Your trash. No jumping the beds, so.
I'm just walking on the bed.
Oh, Daddy, fix it. Where Daddy get that thingy? Oh, you told Daddy earlier? This morning?
I told him last night and then he fixed it.
Huh?
He fixed it when I told him about it.
Last night?
I told him last night.
Message him?
Yeah.
That's a thicker one. That's a thicker one. So, ito pala yung ano ni Samantha, guys. Oh. Kanyang chair pum-pum. Yan. Mahal to, guys. Mahal. Yung dalawa to eh. $16. Simple naman itong gawin. Kaya lang, blue sila ngayon. What? Naglaro ko siya ng ano, Roblox. Roblox. Roblox pala. Vacuum all the stairs, girl. It's your time to shine. Collect all the garbage. Only Shelton doing it, like collect all the garbage. Because you're gonna vacuum the stairs.
And it's just the stairs.
Huh?
And it's just the stairs.
The 2 stairs.
You already did
The hallway. Naku.
I had basketball practice at 7.
Huh?
I had basketball practice at 7.
Okay. Your chores, boy.
No. Let's do that.
Bathroom.
Ah.
It's your time to shine. The bathroom.
Well, look at the spin I can do. Ready? That's not. I bet you can't do it.
Did you laundry?
What is that?
Sam, did you laundry?
Yeah, I'm watching mine. Because I got spaghetti on my...
Did you put a Clorox on it?
Yeah, and then I put it in the washer.
White color or dark?
White. And then I put all my white clothes with it also, so it's easier. It's already laundried.
Okay.
Well, it's done.
It's done? Naglalabas siya. Naglalabas si Sam. Shelton! Do it now. The bathroom. Collect all the garbage. What you gonna do is you
Do it
have
tomorrow.
No. Tomorrow you have to laundry. You have to vacuum your clothes. Oh, vacuum your clothes. Vacuum your bedroom carpet.
I already
And then
did that yesterday. When you told me to, remember?
fix your comforter, your bed sheets. And
I
then
have to put in the laundry?
no.
Oh, no.
I want you to clean up the bathroom. The tub, everything, the mirror, everything needs to be cleaned before you.
Carter has practice today.
You do?
Carter does, and me. I think we're
Where?
on the same team.
Where?
The gym down there by the
The swimming pool. Oh yeah, there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then collect all the garbage. That's it.
Fuck! Nah, Samantha's doing that.
No, he already did. That's your chores. And then
I have to take out the trash every day.
so you have to ride with me because after I drop off Samantha, your dance rehearsal is 6:30.
Yeah.
Then yours is 7. So we're gonna
Come together.
come together because after Samantha, I will drop you off.
Is he playing Hurricane?
Mayroon kasing basketball game si Shelton. Practice. Basketball practice. Busy talaga ako parati guys kasi Hinahatid ko sila sa kanilang sa basketball at saka sa dance rehearsal, kaya busy ako. Ngayon gumagawa sila ng chores nila. Ito na guys, maghahatid na ako sa kanila kay Samantha. Uy! Don't close it! Go get inside now! In your car seat, dali!
I'll close it.
Huh?
Do not close it.
Brother will close it.
No, I wanna close it.
Dali. Turn off the light. Boom, tsaka laka-laka diharon. Tapos 7, before 7, mahatid ko na si Shelton doon sa gym.
Hold on, I'm gonna get a car seat. Mommy!
Car seat now.
Children inside here.
Kasi may basketball practice kasi.
I did want to switch the charger. Get into the car seat first.
Where's the socket? No, you cannot. There is there. Okay. Charge his iPad and then buckle up now because it's time to go. It's time to go, Sawyer. Buckle up now.
Samantha, are we going to mine? So cute.
I know.
I'm so cute.
Why you're so cute?
Ow! A guy.
Agay. Agay ka
The car
diha.
seat has nails on it. Poke me.
Poke you. Be careful, brother.
Malaka, oy.
Bahala ka, uy.
We're gonna give my
We're going, guys. Mamaya ulit.
Malaka, oy. Balat ko, oy, si Sir, oy.
Uy. Late na kami guys, kailangan na namin pick upin si Sam kasi 8:30 na. 8:30 lang kasi yung natapos yung practice ni Shelton, so kailangan na namin pumunta doon. Pero tinext ko na si Sam na papunta na kami at pick upin na namin siya. Busy schedule ko guys, paano? Pick up, drop off, pick up, drop off. Ayun naman sila. Ayun na sila Sam. No. Kakatapos lang nila guys. So Sam's here. So ito na sila guys. Andiyan na si Shelton, andiyan na si Samantha. So pauwi na kami guys. So good morning guys. Andito kami sa parking area sa harap ng school ni Shelton kasi nga in-drop off ko siya. Tapos kami naman ay maghintay lang kami dito ni Sawyer. Ayan si Sawyer. Kasi mayroong Halloween parade sila Shelton. So manonood kami ni Sawyer. Support na rin kay guys. Shelton na andun kami sa parade, nanonood kami sa kanila. So yun. Hintay lang kami sa oras kasi hindi pa time para pumasok doon sa gate. Mamaya pa. So ayan yung mga parents para manood sila guys. Ang ginaw. Si Sawyer ay andito sa playground. Naglalaro. Ewan ko kung saan siya ngayon. Oh, Sawyer! I thought you're playing. Where's Sawyer? Hey! You want water? Here, water. Here! Get the water. Hindi siya nagsuot ng costume guys. Hindi ko na pinasuot. Brother is coming! Look! Brother is there. Say hi to brother. Brother.
Hi, brother.
Andito na kami sa bahay, guys. Tapos mamaya mga 11 o'clock alis na naman kami kasi susunduin si Sam.
My iPad is dirty.
Ha?
My iPad is dirty.
I know it's dirty because you don't clean it. Come on.
But I jumped in the ground and it was dirty. Then I get out my. Then I open the door. Then I jump on the ground. Then it's dirty.
Okay.
Okay, take that off.
Okay.
That's what I need to take off.
Okay.
Oh. I forgot. I have more things in here. Let's see what.
Here's Samantha.
Eyeshadow.
Huh?
Boom.
Boom.
I look like a zombie, guys.
What you are?
A zombie.
Zombie.
A colorful zombie.
Sasayaw yan sila, guys. Kaya andito kami sa parking lot.
What?
Dalag-dalan niya yan kasi nga nagsuot siya ng ano eh, ng ibang damit. Ano ba yung damit na suot niya?
Why is she playing Scary Pig, Peppa Pig games?
Princess ba? Is that princess? Because you don't have any crack in your face.
No, I was a scary doll. Peppa Pig but I got rid.
You have to put around.
I know. Someone with me. What? But calling someone.
Calling someone.
Calling. It's like.
Nahiya ka pa.
It's called being a
Nahiya
teenage
ka pa.
girl.
It's okay.
Why are you doing that?
It's fine. Hintayin muna namin yung mga kasama niya, guys. Na dancers.
Flying up.
Andito na yung... Ha? Andito na yung package na in-order ko nung... I think, ano ba ngayon? Saturday. Ano ba ngayon? In-order ko nung Friday night. Thursday night. Ito yung wig ni Samantha at saka yung kanyang damit para sa kanyang sayaw doon sa mall. Tingnan natin, guys. Kung anong itsura nito. Buksan natin. What? So ito yung kasi lalaki yung kanyang ginaya eh. So ito yung shorts. Sana magkasya rin ito ni Shelton. Okay. Yan. Okay. Magkasya ito ni Shelton. Yan. Levi's. Itatry ito mamaya ni Samantha. Tapos, ito yung wig. Kasi nga, lalaki nga siya. So, ito yung kanyang wig. Oh, okay. Hindi ko lang siya bubuksan. Mamaya ko na siya bubuksan pag... buksan na natin. So, ayan. Yung wig. Lalaki. Tapos, ano ba to? Ito ata yung t-shirt na in-order ko sa kanya. Pero sabi niya ayaw niya. So, mamaya ko pa malalaman, guys, kung magugustuhan niya to or hindi. Kasi kung hindi, ay, ano ba to? Kasi kung hindi, sasulit ko siya. Kasi nga, $25 pa naman to. $25, guys. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan niya to or hindi. Kasi kung hindi, ay sasulit ko. Sayang yung pera. $25 pa naman. Ayan. So, ito lang yung dumating. excited siya dito kasi nga akala ko late na mag-order. Kaya lang dumating talaga siya ng tama. Ng early. Dumating ng early. Kasi nga 5 o'clock ata sila doon magpi-perform. So, we are ready to go, guys, sa mall kasi mag-perform doon si Sam. At ito yung mga ano ko, mga ampon ko. Si Cora, ayan. Andun sa likod pa si Carter. So, we're going now. Here's Samantha and Cora. Kapitbahay namin yan. Si Shelton at saka si Carter at saka si Sawyer.
Pick a prize!
You get a championship. Yeah? What do you want? 10%.
Sam, si Sawyer. Spin Sawyer.
Do you want 10 or 5?
I was about 10 or 5% off.
It's up to you.
$10 or $5? Or sorry, 10% or $5? It's Grace
oh.
Pet Castle. It's for an
Just get $5.
$5? Okay. There you go. She'll give you that. You get candy too. What do you get?
10 or 5.
Just get 5 candies. Get candy.
One of these.
Okay, here. Just get this one.
That
Or
one.
pink.
Okay. Do you want a candy too?
You want candy? Here, candy.
This one
Candy.
too?
Get candy.
What'd you get?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Okay. Here, get. I told you to get this one. Yeah, it's here. Okay. Come on, Sawyer, go. Grabe, guys. Grabe ang daming tao. Naka-line. Na-board na si Shelton. Tapos nakasala lang trick or treat. Si Sawyer.